You know, I don't know about y'all, but by the time Christmas rolls around, I am purely de-dogged, turkeyed, and hammed out. Well, I'm just starving for a piece of succulent beef by the time Christmas gets here. And this is one of the easiest ways, the most foolproof recipe that you can use. We're gonna start with a 6-pound standing rib roast bone-in, because actually this is my favorite part. I love gnawing around these wonderfully moist, fatty bones. So simple. All we're gonna do is rub this boy down with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And don't be shy, because this seasoning is gonna make like a crust on him. Now you can be creative when you're doing this roast, and you can actually use whatever you want to on it. We could actually make slits in him and put in some fresh garlic if you like, or stick in some fresh herbs. But I love the taste of just pure beef. I don't want any other flavors pouring in on my beef. I just associate rib roast with Christmas, and I've been cooking them for years. But when I was first married, we were doing good to buy hamburger meat. This is a little bit on the pricey side, but thank goodness now I can actually afford me a good standing rib. So we've got him all ready, and all we're gonna do is put him on a pan with a rack. We're gonna put him in a 375-degree oven, let him cook for 1 hour, and then I'm gonna shut off the temperature and let him rest probably for about 3 hours. An hour before I need him, I'm gonna turn the oven back on to 375, let him cook for about 45 minutes, take him out of the oven, let him sit up on the counter and rest for 10 minutes, and then we're ready to eat the most wonderful, scrumptious prime rib roast you have ever wrapped your lips around. I'm gonna find a little hidden spot to cut off because I've got to taste it. I got to make sure it's good enough for the family, don't I? It's out of this world.